Morning children. Hello kids, how are you? Now welcome back to coloring class. And today we are going to do our coloring work in a sheet, in a drawing sheet. Pencil, sketch pen, colors, and today our topic is Guru Purab. Guru Purab. What do you mean by Guru Purab? On this day, look at here in the sheet. Let's know about Guru Nanak Dev Ji. We celebrate Guru Purab on Guru Nanak Dev Ji's birthday. And Guru Nanak Dev was the first Guru out of 10 Gurus of Sikh. Guru Nanak Ji Sikh, जो सिख होते हैं उनके गुरु हैं. He is the Lord of Sikh. He was the founder of the religion of Sikhism. He was born on 15th April 1469 at Rai Bhoki ki Talwandi. Today's नानकाना साहेब नियर लाहौर इन पाकिस्तान. उनका जो जन्म हुआ था, he was born at राय भोई की तलवांडी. पहले जिस जगह वो पैदा हुए थे उसका नाम ये था, बट नाउ डेज इट इज कॉल्ड नानकाना साहेब नियर लाहौर. लाहौर में नानका साहेब जगह है और ये जगह कहाँ पर है? पाकिस्तान में. Guru Nanak Dev Ji is most commonly known as Baba Nanak. Every year the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji is celebrated as Guru Purab. His birthday is celebrated on full moon day of Kartik month known as Kartik Purnima. And you all see that day there is a full moon in the sky. सब बच्चे देखेंगे स्काई में 19th को there is a full moon. Okay. So these are the lines on Guru Nanak Dev Jayanti. Now what we are going to draw in a sheet. Today we are going to draw Guru Nanak Ji in the sheet. Okay. So first of all take the pencil. You have to draw it like this. Okay. Then like this. Like this. Like this. And you have to draw it like this. And then his lips. Okay. Eyes. कौन है ये? He is Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Okay. Now you have to write Happy Guru Nanak Jayanti here. Okay. Like this. Like this you have to write down this. You have to make stars. And then you have to draw outline with sketch pen. Let me show you. पहले पेंसिल से बनाएंगे. Then draw outline with the help help of sketch pen or black gel pen. Children, you have to do outline like this. Children, now we start coloring. So the colors we required is here color skin color, yellow, red, orange and green. Green color. Okay. So first of all, we do coloring in pagdi, in Guru Nanak's pagdi. Orange color, like this. Okay. Lips red color. Like this. And in the face skin color. This one. Like this. And in crackers, these are the crackers here. You can do any bright color like green, orange, red, yellow, any color of your choice. You can take in crackers. And you have to fill Happy Guru Nanak Jayanti with color. You can take any color of your choice. Different color in each letter you can do. Okay, like this. You have to make it colorful. So dear children, you have to color it like this. Parents, please help your child to make a sketch of Guru Nanak Ji. Then you have to make a star like this. Because we are showing that we are celebrating Guru Nanak's birthday, so we will make few crackers around him like this, and then you have to write down Happy Guru Nanak Jayanti and color it like this. Orange color in his pug, skin color in his face. And as Guruji keep his beard white, so you have to leave this beard and mustache white and eyebrows also. No color should be there. You're not supposed to coloring in beard, mustache and eyebrows. And then you have to color it like this. Happy Guru Nanak Jayanti. And make it colorful. Okay children, so enjoy your coloring. Take care. Bye bye. Happy Guru Nanak Jayanti.